Have you ever wondered how to maximize your TikTok shop earnings? Imagine tapping into a powerful platform that simplifies everything. That's where Shopreel AI comes in. Shopreel AI is your all-in-one AI-powered ally. It automates TikTok shop affiliate marketing effortlessly. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned marketer, this platform is designed for you. First, you'll love the instant product discovery feature. It finds trending products in seconds. No more endless searching. Instead, focus on creating your content. Next comes automated video creation. With just a few clicks, you can generate professional videos. Imagine having high-quality content without spending hours editing. But that's not all. Shopreel AI also generates viral captions and hashtags. These elements are crucial for boosting your visibility. A catchy caption can draw in viewers and increase engagement. Managing your affiliate links is easy too. The platform provides trackable links. This means you can see which products are performing best. Optimize your strategy based on real insights. Are you worried about scheduling your posts? Don't be. The scheduling tools are simple and effective. Plan your campaigns and let Shopreel AI handle the rest. Let's look at an example. Picture yourself introducing a trending tech gadget. With Shopreel AI, you discover this product, create a stunning video, and use engaging hashtags. You post it at the perfect time to catch your audience's attention. Now, why choose Shopreel AI? It simplifies the affiliate marketing process. You save time and increase your earnings, all from one dashboard. To sum it up, Shopreel AI is here to revolutionize your TikTok marketing. It offers instant product discovery, automated video creation, viral content tools, trackable links, and smart scheduling. If you're serious about making money on TikTok or other social platforms, I highly recommend checking out Shopreel AI. I've left a link in the description below. Click it and get started today. It's a limited time offer with a risk-free trial, so why not give it a shot? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you next time.